Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are going to be doing an unboxing on the MacBook Pro 16-inch 2019 edition. As you can see here, I have the new MacBook, my old MacBook Pro case, keyboard cover, and a USB-C adapter. So this one right here has 11 ports or connections, I guess. Basically like a HDMI, SD card, USB, Ethernet connection, and so on. I bought this on Amazon. I will put the links below as well. Here I have a keyboard covered. I really do like this color, and I used one in the previous MacBook that I own, and I managed to keep my keyboard brand new basically. I also decided to buy a case cover this time, and I like plants, so I found this online and we're gonna attach it to the new one. Here is my old MacBook. It's a MacBook Pro 13-inch 2015. So 5 years later I decided to upgrade. So as you can see here, I have this MacBook here. I don't know if you could see, but I do have the keyboard cover on that. Alrighty guys, so let's get started. We are going to unbox the MacBook Pro 16-inch 2019 edition, and this one is the newer edition because there's two editions. And basically this one has a better keyboard, better track, 4 USB-C ports. So yes, really excited. One thing I did get this on a 32 gigabyte instead of the standard 16, I believe, that comes with. So I did have to wait about 2 weeks or so before I got it. But other than that, it's a great MacBook. So 5-year upgrade obviously is going to be a good upgrade. So as you can see here, taking a MacBook out of the case is always really exciting. It does come with the USB-C power adapter with the USB-C cord, which is nice. What I did like on this one, I did get the black stickers instead of the white clear ones, so I'm excited about these stickers here. Alrighty, so like I was mentioning, this is heavier than the previous power adapter, and it does have the USB-C cord, which is going to be faster powering, faster charging. Super excited about that. Alrighty, so let's get opening this MacBook. And every time you open a MacBook, anytime you open Apple products, it's always a good feeling, happiness feeling. So this for me, it is an upgrade because I had a 13-inch and now I'm going to a 16-inch. This one is quite more heavier and bigger basically. So as you can see here, we have the 4 USB-C ports and the aux connection, or input, I guess. Now one thing I like about Apple products, is like opening here, and it has the screen cover, which is amazing, and then it automatically turns on, which is a very small feature, but small details like this do make the experience a lot better. Alrighty, so let's attach the keyboard cover, and it fits perfectly fine, and it has even the little room for the touch bar. Now here is my previous MacBook, and as you can see, the keyboards are basically similar, just some minor differences in the layout aspect. Obviously there's more differences, and then the screen size, you could see that's different too. The trackpad is a lot bigger. The new MacBook has speakers on the sides, and then the 13-inch versus the 16-inch. Alrighty, so let's attach this case. So basically, as you can see in the background, I have orchids. I do like plants a lot, and I came across this on Amazon. I'll leave the link below as well. And I didn't know if it was going to be like hard plastic, soft plastic, silicone, or whatever it was. So I decided to buy it. I mean, I paid maybe like 20 bucks or so, which is a good deal. And it came with the case, the keyboard cover, and then the screen protector, which I'm not going to use, but it did come with that, which is an option. So I'm going to attach this that has the actual print drawings, artwork, and this looks really nice on the MacBook. You have the space gray color and then the layout. Oh, and it does come with those legs, the grip legs, so that way the MacBook won't move. But look at this looks amazing. And the keyboard cover with the colors looks great. Alright, so one good benefit is that you can attach the accessories basically on either side of the MacBook. And you know, it's a hit or miss, but whatever the case is, you know, Apple keeps making new things, so you just gotta go with them. But basically guys, this is it, the unboxing on the MacBook 16-inch 2019 edition with the newer keyboard. And yeah guys, basically that's about it. You have this USB power adapter with all kinds of ports, the MacBook itself with this keyboard cover that I recommend everyone getting because it really protects your keyboard in the long run. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.